Hello, friends. Welcome to this brand new complete health and wellness course. I'm so happy you are here because today we are starting from the very basics. What exactly is health? Many people think health simply means to not being sick, but that's not the full truth. Real health is about balance. Balance between your body, mind, and emotions. According to the World Health Organization, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not just the absence of disease. That means if you are not sick but you are tired, stressed, or unhappy, then you are not truly healthy. Being healthy means feeling energetic, thinking clearly, and living happily with people around you. So, health is not just about medicine or doctors, it's about your lifestyle, mindset, and daily habits. Now, let's understand the three main pillars of health. Physical health. This is the most visible one. It includes how strong, flexible, and energetic your body feels. Good physical health depends on regular exercise, eating right, proper sleep, and rest. When you feel light, energetic, and pain free, your physical health is good. Now we'll talk about mental health. This is how your mind and emotions feel. Do you handle stress calmly or get irritated easily? Do you think positively or negatively about yourself? A calm, focused mind keeps your body healthy too. Social health. We humans are social beings. We need connection. Having good relationships with family, friends, and community gives emotional strength. Loneliness, arguments, or lack of communication can actually harm your mental and physical health. So, to be truly healthy, you must take care of all three: body, mind, and relationships. Now, let's talk about lifestyle and health. Nowadays, many people suffer from lifestyle diseases like obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and stress. These don't come from germs, they come from our daily choices. Sleeping late, skipping breakfast, junk food, no exercise, too much screen time. These are the real reasons for poor health. But here is the good news: if your habits can make you unhealthy, your habits can also make you healthy again. You don't need to do everything at once. Start small, like drinking enough water, walking daily, or sleeping on time. One small habit every week can completely change your life. Now, how can you know your real health level? Let's do a quick self check. Ask yourself these questions. Do you wake up fresh or tired? Do you feel energetic the whole day? Do you eat on time and digest properly? Do you feel calm and peaceful inside? Do you smile and laugh easily? If most of your answers are yes, then congratulations, you are on the right path. If not, that's okay. Awareness is the first step toward change. So, friends, health is not a one day goal, it's a lifelong journey. Every day is a new chance to take care of yourself. Remember, your body is your home and mind is your power, and your habits are the tools. Start small, eat better, sleep better, move more, and smile often. Because when you take care of yourself, your energy and happiness touch everyone around you. In the next part, we will talk about nutrition and diet basics, how food becomes fuel for your body, and how you can create a perfect balanced plate. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for the next part. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in next lesson.